Not too thin, not too thick. This quick cinnamon roll icing is just right. It is so good that you can eat it spoonful, literally. Let's take softened or room temperature butter in a bowl along with icing sugar and vanilla essence. Start by adding a cup of sugar and then you can increase the quantity to suit your personal preference of sugar level. I used 1.5 cups of sugar and found it perfect. Do a taste test before adding the milk and you can add more sugar if you like. So scrape the sides of the bowl and then add the milk. Do not be tempted to add all at once. The key is to add a little at a time and adjust as per needs and the desired consistency. I prefer to use an icing that is spreadable like you saw in our eggless cinnamon rolls recipe video. If you want it to be thick, then use less milk, and if you prefer it to be more of a cinnamon glaze that is more of a flowy consistency, then use more milk. Simple as that. So, super easy to adjust as per your preference, right? And how quick was it? The entire recipe comes in under just what, say 5 minutes? Not even that actually. So, check out the blog post for more instructions on storing the icing and tons of flavor combinations that you would love, I'm sure of that, and along with some juicy tips. The link will be shared in the description box below. That's it for this video. By the way, the recipe for eggless cinnamon rolls has already been uploaded on the channel, so all the links can be found in the description box below, and I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.